So, hi dear Sagittarius, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 oracle messages for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 27th of April till the 3rd of May 2026. Please keep in mind this is general reading. It might or might not resonate with you, even if it is resonating 100% with you by some miracle. Take this as guidance only. Don't take this as a personal reading and change your whole life based on these readings, right? Whatever decisions or choices you guys are going to make based on these readings is your responsibility, not mine or my channels. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Okay, the overall energy for Sagittarius people for this week. Let's see what we have. So we have the Magician. You can manifest the life you want. What you need will magically appear and successful beginnings. Okay, be very very crystal clear about what you really want in your life, really want to manifest in your life, the crystal clear clarity of what you want and why you want it, and then taking the inspired actions is going to lead to major success in the coming future. Your manifestation can come to fruition in this week, okay, if you're working on it deliberately. And successful beginnings, if you guys are waiting for some kind of good time or lucky time, I don't believe in lucky time or anything like that, but good timings, then the successful beginnings that you guys were hoping for and waiting for can happen in this week. 27th, we have the Nine of Ariel. Your dreams are fulfilled. Hard work leads to great success. A love for the beautiful things in life. Your dreams are going to be fulfilled. So, one of your dream regarding some kind of a major life part is going to be fulfilled in some way. Hard work is going to lead to great success in the coming future. A love for the beautiful things in life is going to get enhanced, like maybe connecting to nature, connecting with good people, good vibes, or connecting with, like, purchasing good things, beautiful things in order to make yourself feel good and happy from inside. Then we have this 28th, we have the Nine of Gabriel. Stay determined and move forward. Stay determined. Okay, if you really want to achieve something in your life, Sagittarius, you have to stay determined and keep moving forward. Do not allow the bumps in the road to hinder your progress in any way. Some kind of obstacles or challenges are going to be on the path, but don't stop yourself. Okay, be prepared for any possibility. Anything can happen on this particular day, especially in a positive way. So be prepared for any kind of possibility happening. And environmental activism, if it is applicable, don't take it otherwise. If it is not applicable, leave it. So if you guys love to do something related to environmental activism, just do that, just follow that, because it's going to make you feel very very happy and peaceful. So we have 27, 28, 29th, we have the Three of Ariel. Do what you love, a time of great personal growth in your career or artistic endeavors. Do what you love and love what you do. A time of great personal growth in your career. You guys are going to have a great time. I think for most of you this week, till this, like 27, 28, 29th, is all about you guys getting the results of your hard work. If you guys are going to stay determined and keep moving forward, great personal growth is possible. If you are into artistic endeavors, that is also possible that you guys will be able to get some kind of beautiful success. Working with others in a cooperative manner is going to help you guys to achieve your success much more easily and beautifully. 30th, we have the Knight of Gabriel. Time to take action. Now the time has come for you guys to take action. You guys might be planning and planning and planning something from quite a long time now. Now the time has come for you guys to take the action. Okay, great passion for a cause. Maybe you guys are into volunteering or something, so great passion for that cause is also going to get ignited. Instinctively knowing just what to do. You guys will be instinctively knowing from inside what you guys should be doing and what you guys should not be doing in a particular direction. 1st of May, we have the Empress. Time to act upon your plans. Okay, time to take the actions. Time to take the action. The time has come for you to act upon your plans. Creativity is going to be rewarded in some way, shape, or form. Luxurious or abundant resources are on the way for you guys. Make sure that you guys are going to use these resources wisely. You're not going to take them for granted, or you're not going to do shitty things with your resources, okay, because it's not infinite or unlimited. Okay, so make sure. 2nd of May, we have the perspective. There's a better way to handle a situation. You might be living by the rule of my way or the highway. I know better than everything else and everyone else, and I know what I'm doing, how to achieve something in our life. So there's a better way to understand a situation on a deeper level. Pause for reflection and insight. Take a step back and pause for reflection and insight. Okay, you will be amazed when we take a step back and try to understand everything from a different perspective. Everything shifts, everything changes. Okay, dare to be different. Now, Sagittarius, you don't have to people please, you don't have to think about the society, you don't have to think about what people are going to think about you. That's their job. If there is something that you wanted to do from quite a long time, but it's a different thing from the usual common sense, common not common sense, common life that other people are living, then dare to be different. If you want to do something different, you have to have the dare to be different. 3rd of May, we have the Two of Michael. It will all be better if you just make a decision. You might be continuously delaying some kind of decision, some kind of choice that you guys have to make in a particular direction. Everything is going to be better for you guys only if you guys are going to make a choice or a decision that you guys might be continuously delaying or procrastinating. Don't do that. Over analyzing a problem is not going to help it. You guys are continuously thinking about a problem and over analyzing it. Just make the choice, make the decision that you know is right for you, right for this situation. Over analyzing is not going to help you. Okay, ignoring it, suppressing is not going to help you. Find a compromise. If it is related to another person, another situation, try to find a middle ground. Instead of making things worse for yourself, instead of making things very difficult to deal with for you and the other energy too, try to find a middle ground so that the other person, the other energy also involved in the situation is also going to be okay. So if possible, you can take help from a third person or third energy that can see like two perspective from a third person's point of view, and maybe try to help you guys to find out a middle ground or a compromise in a situation. Okay, so try to do that. Let's see the final message for you guys as the guidance for this week, Sagittarius. 10 of Ariel, there is so very much to be grateful for. Cultivating the attitude of gratitude in your life is going to bring you more and more prosperity and happiness and abundance in your life, Sagittarius. And plus, your manifestation is also going to get accelerated, right? So, that is required. That is kind of required. Financial success and the promise of retirement. Okay, if you guys are going to plan wisely and take the actions according to your plans, and strategically you guys are going to plan for your investments and savings or maybe your career, there is going to be a promise of a healthy retirement in the coming future. A rich and rewarding family life. Connect with your family member, whosoever is very close to you, whosoever loves you and you love them. So connect with your family member who can bring a sense of joy and happiness in your life. Okay, right? So this is the guidance for you guys for this week. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sagis. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.